Welcome back, guys, to another video. So today we got a really exciting car. I've been waiting for this car for a while, and it's the Arrma Felony Street Bass 6S. I got it in color orange because the black one was out of stock for a while, but I really wanted that car, so we went with orange. So we're just gonna do a quick unboxing, and we're gonna do a couple of drifts, speed runs, and just see how awesome this car is. Man, I gotta say, this thing looks so good. Oh man, it's so beautiful. Like any angle you look at it, just looks so good. Man, I really digging the orange paint. And look at right here. I don't know if you guys can see on the camera, but it has like ghost printed Arrma. Dude, look at those tires. Dang. Okay, so we got the new remote. The Spectrum has that battery level thing, telemetry. Okay, then you got your pinion gear, the high speed, but we're gonna be running today just the stock one. And then you got all these attachments for the HUD. So that's pretty cool. You can just like put whatever you want. Comment down below what's this. I have no idea what you use it for. And then toolkit. And then you got some stickers, manual, all the good stuff. Alright, so here's the inside. You got a little diffuser in the back, metal on the bottom, 2 battery trays. So you could be running 2 3S's or 1 6S. You got your fan on the motor, your smart Spectrum speed control. All right. Alright guys, I did want to mention, because I was kind of curious about this, but you do have to run the smart batteries for this to work. So we're running some cheap Amazon batteries, Hoovu. They're pretty good, but if you want that to work, you do need the smart batteries. Now I'm going to try to take off with the AVC all the way down. I'm just kind of curious, how well will it take off? 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we're going to turn the AVC all the way on. 3, 2, 1. This thing's sick. I love it. Okay, batteries just died. But overall, guys, I'm super impressed with this car. I love it. It just looks good, runs good, drifts good. Everything about this car is just awesome, man. I can't wait to run it again. We're gonna be doing more videos with it, speed runs, maybe drag races. So stay tuned, subscribe down below for more videos. All right, you guys have a good one. See you guys later.